The PMW 200 is the most common camera that's available at the TSW. It has a fixed lens mount with a 14x optical lens, providing a wide range of focal lengths and iris capabilities. Zoom, focus, and iris can be controlled on this camera either manually or automatically. The camera also has ND filters that are manual only. The PMW can take 2 SD cards at a time, allowing for up to 4 hours of recording with 64GB cards. The PMW shoots at a 920 by 1080 resolution at 29.97p and records in MPEG HD 422, making it compatible with XT-Cam formats. The PMW records in 4 channels in 16-bit 48kHz audio. These 4 channels include space for 2 internal and 2 external microphones. The PMW comes as a multi-piece kit bag. In the middle compartment of the bag, the camera sits alongside the headphones and white balance guard. The zipper side compartment holds the shotgun microphone, slate card, SD card adapter, marker, lens cleaner, and the wireless transmitter, mic plug-in, and receiver. The Velcro side of the bag holds the 2 batteries, the battery charger, and the AC power adapter. In all, 10 items are charged out, including the PMW. If you would like to learn more, stop by the TSW or check our YouTube channel for more information.